Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day and you're all having a great weekend. Well, as you can see from the picture in the beginning, we are starting the iridescent birds that are from the Tai Chi collection. And I'm starting in the upper right-hand-ish corner on this bird right here. And I'm putting in the 310 black because, like I said, I can't see these other symbols until I get that black in there. I don't know why they did that way, but that's where we're going. So the color of the day is 310 black. So how's everybody doing? You doing okay? I hope you're all having a great day. I wish the wind had quit, but short of that, not too bad at all. I mean, it's been in the 80s, but now the wind has started. Isn't that exciting? I knew you'd be thrilled. Yep. Just absolutely thrilling. So I didn't do much yesterday at all. Just kind of sat around and stitched for a while. I did work on Louisa Cullimore for about a half an hour, and then I had to move the material, you know, because I ran to the edge of my hoop. Well, I got that done, and then I decided I was going to get all the Tai Chis into their bags and all marked. So yeah, that's about the sum total of my whole day. Oh, I did go get the mail. Yay! I know. Thrilling stuff, ain't it? I'm telling you, some days are just about as boring as watching paint dry. But, yeah, I did get to stitch, so that's about as exciting as it got. I don't think I've ever started a project with 310 black. Maybe the cats, but yeah, not these. But I thought it would help the other symbols to stand out. We'll see how that goes. One can never tell. Didn't watch anything new or exciting on Netflix, or I got Disney, so nope, nothing there. I can hardly wait for the new Indiana Jones, but that'll be a hot moment. It has to go through movie theaters and all that stuff. I did watch the original Indiana Jones the other day. I hadn't seen that in, gosh, I can't even remember when. But I didn't feel like watching any of the others, so yeah, here we are. I don't know, just been kind of, not depressed exactly, just, yeah, whatever. Just stitch, you know? It keeps my mind occupied. Did watch the cartoon Aladdin. Wow, I'm telling you. It was a real rip-snorter weekend. And I watched Mulan. That's what started it all. Not the remake, but the cartoon. I'm not real fond of the, well, I don't want to call it the realistic Mulan. I like the cartoon the best. Boy, I can barely see those blues. They're all kind of blended together with those green symbols, and that's why I thought, well, I'll just do this black and maybe the rest of it'll just pop right out and be easy to stitch. But I really thought this one was pretty. I did like it. starting to see more of the, we'll call them stained glass. They call them glass art. So we'll see if any of those I like and maybe get. Gotta go back. I wanted to stay in that same area. Whoops. Forgot what I did with my pin cushion. Sooner or later I'm going to have to clean out my little ort basket over here. It's getting full. Let's go this way. Go up. So tomorrow I get to go to work. Yay! Not. Another exciting week. What can I say? And at least I'm only there for 5 hours, so that's a good thing, huh? Yay! Let's go this way. Didn't start anything new other than this right here and the one I started yesterday, but not yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Holy cow. Things are just running into each other. We'll see if this helps. It won't make it so blurry. Never had this problem in any of the cross stitches that I've ever done where 2 or 3 colors are all really the same, short of, you know, the oranges and reds and that kind of thing, but no, this is just beyond weird. Didn't make anything exciting for dinner. I had leftover sloppy joes yesterday. I'm telling you, I just didn't feel like cooking. I may get out the hot dogs and have some chili dogs. But I just fix them a couple at a time. And then, you know, leave the rest of them froze. And I got a can of Hormel chili with no beans, and that way I can put it in a baggie. I've done this before, and freeze what I didn't heat up. And then when I want it again, all I gotta do is get it out and heat it up in the microwave, and it works just swell. But sometimes you just need a change of pace here. Thought I went right back up the one I went down. Some days that happens. Holy cow. I don't know that I'll fill this whole section in. I'll just like go around the edges of where it's at. Have you ever done that? Try to get it to show the other symbols. Never had this in a kit. I don't know what their problem is. I really wanted to start on this bird on the right because I thought it had the most colors, but you know, bright, vivid, like teals, pinks, that kind of thing. Was going to work on that sampler yesterday and I never got to it. Oop, I have to loosen the thread. I'm about to lose it again. Whoops. Come on, thread. This is a nice 310. It's kind of poofy. Sometimes 310 can be kind of thin. I don't know if you can see that now. Oh, put my hand underneath it. But the other symbols are being surrounded by dark, so it kind of makes an edge so that I can see all them other ones in that wing part. Ah. Trying to figure out where to start. Some points I can't even see the pale blue, but it'll be worth it in the end. So no grand plans for this week. I may or may not have any reviews. And if you are liking these stitch with me's and start with me's, actually, then hit the like button and also subscribe if it's something you think you'd like to do. Because I do stitch with me's every day, and not every day do I have a review. They're kind of spread out over the month, but that way you can see the new kits that come out. Turn it this way a minute. I try to get the newest kits, you know, order the newest ones that have come out, and the new best thing, new thing. And sometimes I find stuff that I've been looking at for months and months and months. That, you know, I really did like, and I don't know why I didn't get it before, you know. These canvases are really nice. They're fairly thin. You know, they're thinner than, we'll call it, European Town. That has a real heavy canvas, but maybe it's just all the thread that goes into it, you know, but still the canvas was really thick. I don't know why. I've got to... And I still have yet to figure out why some have thicker canvas than others. You're just being a poop. Get up there. Okay, I see, I see. Come on. Everybody get together here. There's always one thread that seems to be lagging behind there. I don't know why, but it does. Well, we've almost made it to the top here. Then maybe next time you see it, I'll have some of the symbols that we helped to stand out here that are already done. This has such beautiful jewel tone colors to it. I just absolutely love this pattern. These are all pretty much stitching up really well. I was working on one of the tiger ones. Can't begin to tell you which one that was. I think it's the black and white one. I'm not real sure. But I'm trying to get the tiger face to show up, just to see how that's gonna look. I was working on that, gosh, maybe Friday? I don't know. One day blends to the next. What can I say? Am I gonna make it to this corner? Not real sure here. When I finish with this black thread, I'll go and pick one of those colors and start stitching on it, whichever one is with the most symbols. I don't know if you can see them. They are starting to stand out. Ah, come on. Whoops. Almost put my needle in my work basket over here. That'll be handy. Alright guys, well, we're getting there. I'll come up and do that on the back and finish that, just that little bit that's right up in there. And maybe I'll be able to see it a little bit better. I may have to go along this edge, right along this outside edge, to get those as well. Alright guys, well, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.